we got another KX450 video for you guys today. This video was actually filmed, I believe, end of February or early March, before we even made any KX300 videos. My brother didn't even have the bike yet. But over the last month, I've been getting pretty comfortable on the KX, and I've been getting faster and faster. So this video is kind of at the beginning of that. I'll show you a couple clips now here, how I'm doing right now on the KX.
All right, into some more high-speed stuff. Whoops, these whoops are nothing compared to Ben. Woo!
Every time I ride it, I'm getting faster and faster. But this video, I had a bunch of fun making with my other friends with the two-stroke. And yeah, enjoy this video of a KX versus some two-stroke clappers. Alright, out for another day on the trails. Got the two-strokes and the KX out because obviously the KLX kinda blew up, knocking, you know the deal. So it should be a good day for riding today. It's a lot drier than the times we've been coming up here before. As you can see on the ground, it's just a little bit muddy. We'll see if we have some snow left over, but traction should be prime and we should be able to push the bike a little bit. So let's get on the trails.
Ah, yes. The time I get to sit here and wait while the Kickstarter guys are trying to start their bikes.
Buy new YP. Where's my Harley? Why? Harley suck. Can get you one.
There we go. Throwing it back here to the old jump hill climb type thing here. Honestly, haven't jumped the KX and I crashed, so kinda a bit nervous here. go back at the jump trail or jump hill climb thing, throwing it back to some KX fun in the summer. Oh, that sounds beautiful.
Your sturdy fender will become like that one where it's flappy.
Don't hurt my baby. Come on.
Wow, it feels slow already.
Who won that race again with the CR? Yeah, okay.
Cheating somehow. I don't know how, but you're somehow cheating.
It's that 450 power, baby! He's not on it. And he was giving me crap for that. You weren't on it.
It goes way, the second gear is way too long.
Okay, yeah. Get on it. I almost got to red line. Oh, jeez. He's gonna go off the cliff. What are you doing? What do you think, since you only went half throttle on it?
It's a street bike, not a dirt bike.
Oh my gosh.
The gears are way too long.
Oh my gosh.
Am I wrong? It goes like 70 in first gear.
No, that's probably true. That means that guy was right, the salesman. It's a semi-wide ratio, I think he said. 1, 2, 3 are pretty wide, 4 and 5 are close together.
It must be a great street bike. Get it plated already.
Okay, okay.
Oh. Kick it like a man.
I did. It almost started.
Come on, man. It's been 3 minutes already. Come on, man. You got it. It's been... Come on. Has he given up? Turn off the gas! You gotta give it full throttle. When you start it, just turn it on. Yeah,
when it hits the power band, like that, it just started to kick out. I wouldn't mind a new one.
Oh, come on, man.
I was kicking it like a man.
We need to drink that two-stroke world.
She's a feisty woman.
Yeah, she knows you're a four-stroker.
You just said that they like them better like that.
She ain't got time for four strokes.
If she ain't got time for four strokes, then she's a... Never mind. If she's rolling through that gas like that, she is indeed clapped. My stomach hurts. Mischief. As we discussed.
Yeah, that's fine.
Come on, go! That was better. You gotta rev these things up to get them to go. I'm getting comfortable on this thing now. Props to those who can just jump on a 450 and instantly be used to it, but hey, I guess it took me some time to get used to.
Yeah, this is high maintenance. You gotta turn the gas off.
I would totally get like a new YZ125X.
Oh yeah.
Trails today are flowing.
This thing has to.
You have to rah-rah.
So heavy, and you have to give it so much parts. My hand hurts. Now you see.
I know. I've been back to my workouts for a month, and I'm feeling pretty good.
I need to work out. By that I mean just ride this bike.
Hey. If you want to get them clappers, you gotta be working out, bud.
Nah, the clappers don't care.
You're right. The clappers probably don't care.
Okay. This thing's so much fun to ride.
Just so everyone knows here, the clappers we're talking about.
It's bike.
It's this beautiful
clap.
97 clapped out YZ125.
It has a stolen title.
Okay.
We don't even have a title.
See, we don't even know what the clapper is looking like.
The number's half ground off.
We don't even know the identity of this clapper here. if we were to compare it to something, it'd almost be like a catfish or something.
Maybe a 4-stroke, I don't know.
Okay. Now we take it too far. Not when you bring them 4-strokes into this. All right, I love this trail. Good trail to finish off the ride. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed the fun today. I can say that I had an absolute blast on this thing. Always a good time riding with these guys. And well, the antics that we get into. Each time I get on this thing, riding faster and faster, getting used to it. And yeah, we're moving. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did. Share it to your friends, those who may enjoy it. And of course, subscribe if you are not already.
What are you rambling on about?
I'm ending the video, bud. But with all that being said, join the club. And I'll see you in the next one. You know what I'm going to start off the next video with?
What?
At the end, I'm going to be like, you know, we were talking about these 2-strokes and stuff, but I'm thinking about making a Tinder profile saying, I only need 2 strokes with this pipe.
Hey, at least the pipe's bigger than yours.
Hey now.
It's thicker as well.
Size, girth doesn't matter. Size don't matter here. At least I got that big bomb right here.
Look at that big bomb.
We gotta go. Now I gotta start the next video here. I don't know what to call the first one.
2 strokes are better than 4. 4 strokes too many? Or
He says he. Oh no! Yes. 4 strokes too many.